for you! Thanks, Mom! I hope it's a ticket to Milan or Paris! A scout camp? Surprise! I knew you were gonna love it! Really? Why? Why are all these green leaves here? Plants are so annoying! And 1, and 2! Oh, hold this! A new girl! Welcome to our camp! Why would you come to the middle of nowhere? Let's brush our teeth while the counselor is distracted! No way, guys! No toothbrushes! When you are in the woods, you brush your teeth with tree bark and plants! That's impossible! Gross! No way! I'm brushing my teeth how I always do it! Cut the handle off a toothbrush. Glue the mini brush into an empty lipstick tube. Done! And no one figured it out! Holly, what can you fit into this teeny purse? A backpack is much more useful! Ha! Look! Whoa! An actual tent! You haven't even been inside yet! Come on! Oh, wow! There's the kitchen, and there's the bathroom! Take a seat! Let's play a video game while we have time! Seems like I need more of these big leaves! Let's say the toilet is here! What was that? I was just imagining things! Thanks for the paper! A bear? Wrap up faux fur to make a paw and sew it on one side. Fill it with stuffing. Then sew it shut. Make paw pads out of light clay. Shape claws from polymer clay. Bake following the package instructions. Glue everything to the paw. Paint the claws. He ran so fast! Bear 5! This is your portion of water for the day. Use it wisely. Great! Thanks! I'll take a careful sip. Oh no! I spilled it all! I'll securely fasten the rope on the tree. Here you go! And make a few holes with the heel. A refreshing forest shower! There's nothing better! Who didn't turn the water off? I won't let this go to waste! Holly, this is my chance! Hi! Great view, right? But you don't smell so great! Here! Oh, candy! No, it's soap for showering! Cut a bar of soap. Microwave it. Spray a silicone mold with rubbing alcohol and pour in the soap. Wrap each heart in soft paper like candy after it hardens. Here's some more. You really need it. A heart is a symbol of love. This is our morning routine. Tim is brushing his teeth. Holly is taking selfies. A mosquito! She wants to kiss me. You wish. Give me your toothpaste. It helps stop the itching. Another suitable branch. A bear! Oh, buddy, your breath is really bad. Here you go. Freshen up. Squeeze toothpaste on parchment paper to make an even line. Cut into pieces and let it dry for 2 days. Connect a few pieces after they dry to shape a candy. Fill a Tic Tac box with them. Thanks! Better now? Great! Wow! This bear is so nice! Squad, your task for today is to find this moss in the forest.
Ooh.
Got it? Then here's a map. Go ahead. Nothing here. Not a single thing! Ew, gross! We're never gonna find this moss! You are looking in the wrong place! This is where this species grows! What? Gross! We give up! Go! 10! Keep up! Stop! You can't run wearing heels! But my heels have special tips so they don't poke through the ground! Dip a heart mold in vegetable oil. Place it on parchment paper and fill it with hot glue. Coat the cap with vegetable oil and set a heel in the center. Let it harden. Attach the tips to the heels. That's smart! You can run! I can't do this anymore! Leave me alone, Holly! You can win! Don't worry! A true scout won't ever leave their partner high and dry! And Holly gets the medal! Congrats! Did I win? Sorry, a consolation prize for you! Looks like the young scouts got lost in the woods! We need to go straight! Nope, it's that way! Boys, stop fighting! Let's use a compass! Glue a compass to a highlighter. Let's go north! Yeah! Keep up! Whoa! Nice stick! Hey, guys! Where are you? And the compass leads us right to my favorite club! Nice! You have moss growing here! It's from too much stress! I need to retouch my makeup! Hi! We're here for the party! Stop! You're not in dress code! It happens every time! Oh, I see scouts! Hello! I wanted to tell you something! Stop! Don't hit me! I am so scared! It's a map! I can get out of this forest! Thank you, buddy! Use fabric paint to create a local map on a bandana-sized piece of fabric. A scout has to keep his scarf safe. Hold on! Here's a picture of a map. Take it! And my phone! Squad! I'll teach you how to tie a strong, secure knot.
Ugh.
It's easy. Start practicing. Like this? No! It's my turn. Was that right? Not really. Now you go. No way. I'm not even gonna touch this. I have my own rope. And I'll make a normal knot. Cut straps off a torn flip-flop. Make a few more holes in the sole using a milling cutter. Wrap the soles in rope. Put rope through the holes. Make straps out of the rope. Leave the ends long so they can wrap around your leg. Done! This is for you! Looks cute, but where's the other one? Coming right up in a second. It feels so nice to finally take these heavy boots off. We're starting our award ceremony. Where's the third one? Sorry I'm late. Here are your honorary badges. A bear? We ran out of badges. Here's my scarf. Goodbye! Goodbye! My baby birds left the nest. Did you like our video? Then comment below and tell us what Scout Camp life hack you liked the most. And don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell so you don't miss any hilarious new videos from Troom Troom.